Let me do some tutorials to solve a problem using curl. Example. Find the curl if vector f equals to x squared times yi plus 2y squared j plus y times z squared k at point 2, minus 1, 1. Solution. Since the vector f has been given, which is x squared times yi plus 2y squared j plus y times z squared k, where curl equals to cross product of del and f, which equals to I, j, k, partial or partial x, partial or partial y, partial or partial z, f sub 1, f sub 2, and f sub 3. This is my f sub 1, this is f sub 2, and this is f sub 3. Just substitute these values for f sub 1, f sub 2, and f sub 3 here. To have x squared times y, 2y squared, y times z squared. So start from the I. Ignore the first row and the first column. Do cross multiplication between these four terms to have partial y times z square or partial y minus partial 2y square or partial z. Then start from j, minus j. Ignore the first row and the second column. Do cross multiplication between these four terms to have partial y times z square or partial x minus partial square times y or partial z. Then start from k, plus k. Ignore the first row and the third column. Do cross multiplication between these four terms to have partial 2y square or partial x minus partial x square times y or partial y. Take their derivatives, where the derivative of this term with respect to y is z square, and derivative of this term with respect to z is 0, and derivative of this term with respect to x is 0. Derivative of this term with respect to z is also 0. Derivative of this term with respect to x is 0, and derivative of this term with respect to y is x square, to have iz square minus kx square. Now substitute the coordinates values, where z is 1 and x is 2. This is my final answer, I minus 4k, which is in a vector form.